Hey my lovelies, welcome back. We are on week 3 of our Sovereign shift. By now, we have woken up the hero and we have started moving the needle. But I know what's happening in some of our heads right now. That little voice, the inner hater, is whispering, who do you think you are? You're being selfish. You're doing too much. Today, we're going into step 3 and 4 of our Sovereign Blueprint. And we're going to talk about the 2 things that kill the hero faster than any enemy: overthinking and self-doubt. Did you see the little bee? He wanted to be a part of our video today. If you have your Healing the Mind workbook, turn to step 3 and let's plug in those leaks. Sovereignty isn't just about what you do, it's about what you stop doing. Many of us become overgivers because we try to buy our worthiness with our effort and our labor. We think if we do enough for everybody else, they will finally give us the sovereign title. But listen, you cannot give from an empty cup. In step 3, we mastered the energy audit. If you're giving 80% and only receiving 20 in return, that's not kindness. That's a bad business deal for your soul. We are learning to balance that energy so we can pour it into our own dreams first. You are the priority, not the leftover. Now, step 4 is where we tackle the yes, but that's still lingering. Self-doubt doesn't just go away because you read a quote. It goes away because you prove it wrong. We conquer doubt through step 4, actionable evidence. Every time we show up at our architect's desk, even for 10 minutes, we're sending a message to our brain and the universe that we are reliable. You aren't faking it until you make it. You're building it until it becomes real. We're moving from I hope I can to I know I am. Now next week is our final step, unveiling our purpose. But today, I want you to audit your energy. Put in the comments, my cup is full, if you're committed to stopping the overgiving today. And if you haven't grabbed the Healing the Mind workbook, do it now. We are heading into the most important part of the architecture next week. Also, how are those no's feeling? No, I can't make it. No, I don't want to. No, I don't have time. No, I won't be there. How's that feel? How is setting those boundaries feel? Is the air a little clearer? I'll be in the community tab in the sanctuary on Discord checking on y'all. And if you haven't joined already, the link is in the bio. Come on and heal with us. Come on and congregate with us. Come on and evolve with us. We are stepping into our power. And even if you're just a beginner in the healing stages, we are here for you. We are here for you. Okay? If you resonated with this video, if this is your first time here and you like what you see, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss a video. I post every Saturday. As always, thank you so much for watching if you've been here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.